Hi friends, today I'm going to show you two things. Yesterday I went to a nursery, type of nursery, not a very hi-fi one, and from there I did some shopping. So I'm going to show you what that shopping is. I bought lots of plants because since a very long time I had not gone to the nursery, so I thought that it is time to go there. So one is that, and the second is I'll show you my collection of aglaonemas also. So first part I'll cover the nursery brought plants with their prices, and the second part will be on my collection of aglaonemas. So let's go there, friends. Aglaonema I have bought from the nursery, and this is called aglaonema silver line because it has got some whitish line on this, you see these kinds. So because of this it is known as aglaonema silver line. So I like this, and this is pretty big plant. So he asked for 250, but I gave him 200. So this is a good plant, friend. I'm happy about this. The second one is this one. This is croton, and he said this is called Trishul croton. Though I have kept it many times with me, but you see, it didn't last for some reason. So I bought this one also. This is good looking, having many colors. And its price he quoted 175. So, and he didn't reduce any amount for this. So this is for 175. And then this rubber plant. I didn't have any rubber plant I wanted to buy. I wanted to take cuttings from my friends, but somehow the cuttings didn't do well. They couldn't survive, not with me, with them. So I bought this variegated one. I like this very much. This is for 175. And another plant is this ZZ plant, Zamia palm. I didn't have this also, and just because some of my friends had, so I also thought that I'll buy this. So I bought this also. This is a nice plant. And then another aglaonema, this one, this is aglaonema Snow White. So I bought this, and this is for 350 rupees, pretty expensive, but then the look is very great, and he said it is a hardy plant, it won't get spoiled also, and maybe once it is full I can make 2 plants out of this. So I bought this. I become greedy when it comes to plants. So this another plant is ficus, variegated ficus. This is also good, and this he gave me around 150 to 175. I'm forgetting the correct rate, but this is beautiful. Although my friends had given me some cuttings of this, but you see the season in Gurgaon has been very, very bad this year. It has not rained. It has rained just 2 times and for very little time, and the cuttings are somehow not surviving. They're getting very dried up and cranky, and they're not doing well. So I thought of buying this variegated ficus. This is beautiful. At least this will survive. This has got strong roots in it, and there are three plants inside, 3 cuttings. These are also cuttings, but these cuttings are good. Okay, the next, friends, I'm forgetting its name. It was in 2 colors. One was totally green, and this is like goldenish kind. And this was also around 175 to 200, I think. So it is this. This I liked it, and this is looking good. So another plant, yeah, this This is Dracaena, and Dracaena, milky Dracaena. He said Dracaena milky. So this is a different kind of Dracaena, and its foliage looks like a Song of India Dracaena, but this has got some spots, some milky spots. So this way it is different from Song of India Dracaena, friends. So one more plant is there. This is that Ixora, yellow Ixora. I think though it was flowering, but because of the heat again, it is drooping. And maybe I hope the weather changes and it becomes okay. This is for 175. So these are the plants, friends, which I got from the nursery, and I'm not taking the name of the nursery, although all my friends know about this nursery. So these are the plants, friends. Now let's go to my collection of Aglaonema, friends. Now these two, like this one and this one, they are the addition in the collection now. So my collection starts from here. This is Aglaonema red. This is doing well, and although I have shifted it into a ceramic pot, but still doing good. So, and this is also, no, this is different. This is slightly different. I'm forgetting its name, but this is not this plant. Okay, next one is again the same, and they are from the last 2 years, I think, or 1.5 years at least, Yeah, I have been propagating these plants, as you can see, this one, and they have been doing pretty well, although their growth is very, very slow, but they are lovely plants, and they are one of my favorites. You see, this again I have propagated, and this one is known as Silver Bay or something like that. This is a rare kind of Aglaonema, friends. This one. Sorry, moving the camera so much, but this is behind my Erica palm, actually. I hope you can see it. This I bought about 2 years back with one of my friends who is doing well, and this is another one. This is called Silver Bay or something. I don't get into the name so much, actually, because they all are from one family only. These are lovely plants, friends, and keep adding some new plants in your garden. This will give you immense pleasure. So for today, only this much. See you in the next video with my new plants or new informations on plants, and happy gardening to you. Enjoy gardening, friends. This is a wonderful hobby. Bye bye.